Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make another great salad for you. Today's salad, we're going to call it Tuna Color Pop Salad, and the reason I made up that name is because this salad is very bright and colorful due to many different colored vegetables we're going to be using in it. It is a great filling salad. You can enjoy it for lunch with a piece of bread. You can also make it when guests come over. You can just mix all the ingredients together with the mayo, or you can serve it as single platters like I'm going to show you today. So let's start with the ingredients like always. So of course, tuna salad requires some tuna. So we are going to be using this tuna. Well, actually, I should say I'm going to be using this tuna. This is tuna in olive oil. You can use tuna packed in water, any kind of tuna you like, but try and find the ones that are like in chunks so you can break it down with a fork. But really, if you have never tried this tuna, do really try it out. It tastes absolutely amazing. I don't buy any other kind of tuna anymore. I know it's not the healthiest type of tuna for you because of course the one packed in water has less fat in it, but olive oil is not bad for you. It's a good source of fats, and of course I just eat the salad as a meal, so I think it's fine to have one in oil. So it's just a can of tuna for one person or less, depending if you're going to be having it as a meal or as a side salad. Of course, you're going to need some corn. This is just sweet corn from a regular can. Also a cucumber. So these are ingredients for one person, one salad. So one little cucumber, and I prefer these little cucumbers versus the English cucumbers. I think they taste a lot better. So one little tomato, just a regular tomato. You can use cherry tomatoes, any kind of tomatoes you like. One onion. In this specific salad, I prefer just the regular cooking, like white onion. You can use sweet onion if you don't like harsh taste of an onion, but I just use regular one. As well as this is just a sweet pepper that I've already cored and just cut in half. So of course it would have been even better if I had an orange pepper to make the salad even more colorful, but I had a yellow one, so we'll just use the yellow one. So that's all the ingredients. There's just 7 ingredients. Actually, sorry, I forgot one more. So the last ingredient is just some mayo. So I already put the mayo in the plate because like I said, we're going to be making a single salad, and I'll show you how to serve it beautifully for one person. So that's everything, and let's start cooking. So what we're going to do is just cut up cucumber, and you just want to make cubes for all of your vegetables. So let's start with the cucumber. I'm just gonna cut it. So that's the cucumber. Now let's cut the tomato and just make sort of cubes. And same thing with the sweet pepper. Just cut strips like this. Of course, if you see any seed, remove the seed. Nobody likes seed in their salad. Okay, the last ingredient we need to cut up is just the onion. I'm just going to turn my board around where I have a little bit more space. So the same thing with an onion. Let's first cut it in half and then cut again like this. Both of the halves. But let's see, we might not use the whole onion. Try and find one that is pretty small. You don't want too much onion in the salad, so maybe stick to a half of this one. So that's all the ingredients we are going to be using. Actually, just use half of a small onion. I think that's going to be enough. So some cut up onion, cut up sweet pepper, tomato, cucumber, corn, and tuna. So let me show you now how to nicely present the salad on a plate as a single serving for a guest. Let's start putting our salad together. I'll start with the tuna. So like I mentioned previously, I broke down tuna just with the fork, and I just mixed it with a little bit of the oil that was left over in the can, because once I opened the can, I poured into the sink all of the oil. I don't want too much fat in my tuna left over because the salad is with mayo. So of course you want to control the amount of fat that goes in your salads. Plus you don't want the salad to be soggy, so you don't need all that extra oil. After tuna, let's put the corn. As you can see, I'm putting them in little piles, just one beside the other. And of course, in the middle, I have mayo. So I think that's about enough corn. Now let's go with the other ingredients. Let's put on the sweet pepper. And I'll put it on the other side of the tuna, just so we don't put 2 yellow ingredients right beside each other. And now let's put the cucumber. So I'll just put it on this side of the corn. And next we'll put the tomato right next to our yellow sweet pepper. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video when showing ingredients, that of course orange pepper would have looked nicer because that would have been an extra color. So when you're doing yours, consider getting an orange pepper. And the last ingredient, just the onion. And we're putting that between the cucumber and the tomato. Here is our final product. So the tuna color pop salad. As you can see, it is very beautiful presentation. So let me show you up close. So here is a tuna salad. So of course we have some tuna. This was tuna in olive oil from a can, just mashed up with the fork. Some sweet pepper, some tomatoes, some onions, some cucumbers, just some sweet corn from a can, and some mayo. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful salad. I hope you try to make it for yourself or your guests at your next barbecue party or just for lunch with a piece of bread. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Bye!